Over the past 2 years in Cabo Delgado, IDE has been working hand in hand with over 11,000 farmers through a comprehensive training program spanning from regenerative agriculture to financial literacy and nutrition. The Farmers' Resilience and Rebuilding Initiative has popularized horticulture across all of our districts of intervention. When we started, only 5 to 10% of our beneficiaries had ever produced vegetables, largely because of a lack of access to water for irrigation and technical know-how. To address this issue, IDE has established over 350 large production hubs, ensuring access to water and on-farm technical assistance to all of our beneficiaries. These farmers now produce vegetables, generating a source of income while providing their families with more nutritious food.
Kaya limi horta, kaya limi ahi kana lima mi horta kana juwela. Vani wali ya ida ide, tanja kawira kwe uno mpangi ya jo panja kunifunda, mpangi kejo ni hiva, kaya mpangi kanteru, panga kanteru, padaga.
Às vezes mandamos crianças para irem regar e no dia que eles vão regar lá ver que mamãe, a alface está cheia. Quando chega em casa, está a dizer, queremos arroz. Arroz com quê? Alface.
Regenerative farming has helped reclaim marginal land, enabling production in areas previously considered unsuitable.
Estamos a produzir aqui perto da praia, os pescadores que saem na praia sempre compram conosco cebola, alface, couve.
Production hubs are not only a place for farming, they are market hubs where the private sector can aggregate and source vegetables, neighbors have a go-to place for fresh greens, the private sector can promote their products such as seeds, equipment, and affordable technology. Horizontal learning and sharing among farmers is continuous, leading to extraordinary levels of adoption of good agricultural practice.
Era contato pessoas que faziam horta, a nível do distrito de Micu, mas agora está cheio de horta.
Farming together, sharing knowledge, input, equipment, and labor had significant effects on group cohesion, creating a foundation for effective market systems development interventions. During the rainy season, through training, technical assistance, and access to improved inputs, these farmers have increased their production of grains, both of staple and cash crops.
Antigamente esta mashamba eu podia conseguir só 3 sacos, mas agora esta mashamba eu tiro 20 sacos.
Increased social cohesion has enabled farming groups to establish buying points within their communities, with group leaders acting as aggregators. This work has made the last mile investment ready and was matched with continuous efforts to strengthen the market ecosystem. IDE has created and supported a network of local entrepreneurs with training, business development coaching, marketing linkages, and credit. In this season alone, between April and August, our rural entrepreneurs have purchased over 5,000 tons of grains and injected about $4 million directly into rural communities.
Na compra de GGL, eu fazendo as minhas contas, os meus cálculos, deixei na comunidade 27 milhões de meticais. Então, é uma vantagem para os produtores, porque é muito dinheiro. Se nós formos a passar as comunidades, apanhamos pessoas que não tinham moto, já compraram moto, pessoas que tinham casas cobertas de capim, agora já cobriram com chapa, já puseram soar, já outros compraram bicicleta. Então, há um desenvolvimento acelerado.
Nós estamos a agradecer aí de chegar aqui, porque quando ajudou a população fora, a população semearam coisas deles, saiu muitos produtos. Então, quando eles começaram a vender, eles apanharam dinheiro. Quando eles apanharam dinheiro, começaram a comprar nossas coisas. É por isso que apanhar estoque aqui, chapa ali, cadeiras, colchões, para nós revendemos para eles.
Our work to strengthen the market for agricultural inputs has been crucial to ensuring lasting impact. Through 2022 and 2023, we organized 16 input trade fairs, where a network of trusted agro-dealers meets thousands of farmers to sell input, equipment, and seeds through digital vouchers. This year, we have challenged the private sector to take the lead and reach smallholders directly in their farms. To deploy this system, we have activated our network of rural entrepreneurs and agro-dealers who engaged in over 1,500 sales events at community level. In this model, each farming group receives a collective fund and members make a joint decision on what to buy, when to buy, and from whom. We believe this approach is a true game changer in input distribution as it incentivizes the private sector to build lasting linkages with farming communities. This was made possible by the meticulous work to build trust within farming groups, which are now able to make participatory investment decisions and between farmers and the private sector.
A gente, quando chegava lá, os grupos já estavam preparados para os pedidos, já sabiam. Não havia questionamento, não, vamos levar aquilo, o grupo já sabia. E lá tinha secretário que escrevia, o presidente ditava o comando, os membros. Era um comboio onde todo mundo estava junto.
Até às vezes ia diretamente até no campo deles, onde eles estão a fazer as suas hortas. E então dali fui ver que afinal o meu trabalho tem valor quando eu estou no campo também. Porque eu aproveito ver muita coisa lá boa, as minhas sementes que eles vêm comprar comigo. Me motiva, quando eu chego no campo, encontro uma cabeça de alface bem grande, couve bem bonito. Então, aquilo ali foi uma coisa boa.
In record time, the Farmers Resilience and Rebuilding Initiative has strengthened social cohesion and resilience in Cabo Delgado. By working hand in hand with the private sector and local communities, we've laid the foundation for market-driven transformative change.